There's a reason both locals and those from away call Labrador the Big Land. Widely considered to be one of the world's last most vast and extreme lands, Labrador boasts an area of over 294,000 square kilometers, or 113,000 square miles. And with a human population of less than 27,000, there are far more moose, caribou, and black bear in the Big Land than humans. Being so vast, being so remote, and being so pristine, what does that mean for the rivers and lakes of Labrador? And the fishing? Labrador boasts some of the world's finest fisheries for giant brook trout, lake trout, Atlantic salmon, as well as landlocked Atlantic salmon known as Wananiche. We're on our way to McKenzie River Lodge in the heart of northern Labrador, on the make for wild brook trout and landlocked Atlantic salmon.
I've always considered myself very fortunate to be able to host a fly fishing television show, and I've always wanted to share this opportunity with my family. Well, that's what's happening this week on the new Fly Fisher. I've got my eldest son, Will Melnick, who doesn't really fly fish and has never fished in moving water, here with me at McKenzie River Lodge in north central Labrador. It's going to be big fish, big times in the Big Land. This big fish adventure starts right now on the new Fly Fisher.